Pakistate.
Huh?
So today,
guys, we're gonna cook.
we'll just cook the
Bombix
Marks. We're just gonna make laga. So yeah, make laga the Bombix Marks. Bombix Marks. Mori.
Ilang grams?
So hindi ka na magsaspoon. Yes. It looks like drugs.
Yes.
Breaking Bad.
Ako na po si Walter White.
0.5.
Ooh, the accuracy is crazy.
Natural chemistry.
0.6 na yun, Pia.
Taktak mo na.
Ito na yung future ko, guys.
Uy. Oh, sumo. Ay, uy, ang galing.
Uy!
Uy. It's air.
Decisive naman.
I'm just the documentary girl. I will document everything. So guys,
Wow. Maghahalo tayo ng water. 472.
So ano ba nihintay natin?
Tubig.
do we need distilled?
Or ano?
May distilled water ba
Well.
tayo?
Wala.
So yeah, tap water.
Tap water na. Hindi ba tubig yan? I think that's water.
Parang ang pressurized kasi pag...
Uy.
Let me cook.
So, this is where we get our water.
Wait, so...
400.
400 lang? Sakto?
Oo.
Akala ko 470.
Meron akong graduated cylinder doon. Kaya ako meron ng graduated.
Wow!
Wow, so scientific.
Walter White talaga si Pia. Years ng pagsasaing to, napunta dito.
Bakit mo dinala dito?
Lalagyan din.
Oh, never mind.
Okay na to?
You're holding it kasi. It's like your eggs.
Hindi.
It's my baby.
Ano ba?
Sa 400 yan, tapos lalagyan natin to ng 70 para ilagay dyan.
72.
Para
72.
72. Para 472. So, isasakto natin tong 70.
Okay na to.
Hindi pa. Chine-check pa.
Hindi sa 70 ko muna tapos.
Oo, tama.
Oo nga.
Kasi syempre naman ay good.
Ako, JN. Nasa yung cylinder. Oh, wait. Konti pa.
Patak-patak lang yan.
Okay na yun? How fun you think?
Mukha ka ng doktor dyan.
Tapos tatanggalin niya.
Ginago.
This is the 1 gram of
Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate.
Huh? Sinabi? Be, recorded.
Do we mix or ano? Lagay mo na sa plate. Walter Whitening.
Ba, JN, ang ginagawa mo?
Titimpla ng juice. Inom kayo mga anak.
Sure, why not?
Ilang gano'n kayo?
Basta, kumulang.
Medyo.
100.
100 actually.
It became cloudy. It's boiling. It's very boiling. Seriously. It's very hot.
Mukha siyang ano. Mukha siyang white. Walter White.
Nagsisirculate na siya.
Hindi ko napansin yan. Wow. What?
Akala ko. Umutot ka.
Iyang, stop farting.
Ano? Kalat.
Hi, my name is Walter White. Today we're gonna make silky wine by cooking. I'm Walter White, yes.
Yo. Lagay ko na. Ini-start ko na.
Timer start?
Ano wala yung ano nila?
Baho.
Ang baho. Ang baho.
Ba't yung inamoy?
Dito kami, dito kaya.
Lapit ka kaya.
Ayoko lumapit. Nung namoy ka na dito eh.
Amoy sunog. Amoy sunog siya.
Nagbubula. Oh, yuck.
Good.
Parang si Paul. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Hala, yuck. Kadiri. Continuous stir ba? Kailangan hindi po. Kapag po nagbo-boil siya, gumagalaw naman po. Oh, Dexter.
Si Dexter.
So Dexter took over.
Parang kang naglaga ng mani.
Di ba?
Yung sariwa na mani.
It is turning into like wee-wee.
I am the head scientist, Dr. Walter White.
No, I am
Here
Walter
with
White.
my wife, Skylar White.
That's Jimmy.
And we are playing this young gentleman. His name is Dexter.
1, 2, 3. Thanks. Magpakita tayo ng ano, fit check.
Outfit.
So this is a borrowed love gown from like someone, I don't know. This is thrifted. BT21.
Couture.
Couture.
Oh, update. The thingy.
Ang baho niya.
Yes, very stinky.
Like young.
Hey, I'm not stinky.
It smells like peanuts when you boil them. Right now, the texture is very soft of the cocoons, and the turbidity of the water is very turbid.
Big words.
Very
Yes, I agree.
translucent, which is the result of the dissolution or degumming of the silk sericin in the cocoon.
Agreed.
Agreed. I'm not sure if what I'm saying makes sense.
Yeah, it's correct.
It's
I
wrong.
I am a mad
Kahit
scientist.
na.
Bad scientist.
Ano? Amoy yun. Amoy anya.
Anya! Gusto ko talaga mag-YouTube channel or something. I don't know why. Kalat.
I-vlog
I
mo
just
yun.
wanna make kalat.
Yes. What if gawin mo?
Can you bring it up?
Wait.
This is
It looks like tissue na sobrang gamit.
No wet.
Parang no soap.
Guys, ito na ang ulam natin. Our ulam for today.
Magic
Sotang ko.
with toast.
Para tayong mga dorm. Hindi.
Pauline, close na si Clarice pati si Pauline.
You just have an issue.
Si sa group ni Jama.
Hindi, medyo
tahimik lang na sila.
Tahimik lang sila, pero nakikita ko naman, okay naman sila.
Sila kay yung grupo ni Kim.
Ah,
Hindi,
sige.
pero
Sila,
nag-usap sila.
Or they're not like the friend group na parang sa
Yung group nila Maya.
Ay, actually.
Di ba?
Medyo.
Medyo.
I mean,
Like,
they're
they only talk, like, group. Ano yun, pag practice na talaga sila.
Oo. Si Peter, ka-group niya si Andre, di ba?
So,
We let it go for now, right?
Yeah.
cooling process. And then chikahan. Let's go. Anong chika natin for today? Experiment day 1. Almost done.
Yun naman.
Try mong kunin if it's no longer hot. Okay na.
Yeah.
Okay na.
Lutia.
Ako lang ito, guys.
Sige. Ayan.
Okay.
Anong subject yung buy?
230 onwards.
Bye.
By online kasi.
Sir Thor.
Sir Thor, anong gagawin niyo? Anong activity niyo? Hello? Thor. Thor. Hala, anong nangyari sa'yo?
Mukha siya yung dragon beard kan. Diba?